This is the National Weather Service Office at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL70's public warning system. Automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Gaston, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. Now for the Torn Alert Test. The Charlotte, North Carolina